Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we are going to discuss few questions related to JEE main exam. So let's start with the topic question answer round. So my first question is, look at what is given here. Number of moles of MnO4 minus required to oxidize 1 mole of ferrous oxalate. Clear to you? What is given here? 1 mole of ferrous oxalate, that is Fe2C2O4. Clear? It will dissociate like this, that is C2O4 2 minus. Now, how many moles of MnO4 required? Clear? Now, so let's start. How to solve such questions? Look at, listen carefully what I am telling. Question number 1, that is the answer. That is MnO4 minus required how many moles plus C2O4 2 minus. Clear to you? This is the reaction. Definitely it will convert into Mn2 plus ion and this will convert into CO2. This is the reaction. Now how to proceed, how to balance? Listen carefully. What will happen during the reaction? MnO4 minus will be converted to Mn2 plus. Clear? Here Mn is plus 7 oxidation state and 2, that is reduction half reaction. Clear? Reduction half reaction. Now balance. 4 oxygen here. So put here, wait for a moment, 4H2O. Clear to you? Now put here 8H plus. Clear friend? Now how to balance the charge? That is total number of charge 2, 6, 5. This is the reduction. So to balance, put here 5 electron. This is the first half. Now the second half is C2O4 2 minus converts into CO2. Clear? Now here is 2, put here 2. Completely balanced. Now here is 2 electron and we will write here 2 electron. This one is oxidation half reaction. Now after adding we will get the complete output. Now how to balance the charge here? That is 5, 2. So multiply here with 2 and multiply here with 5. Look at the balancing one. 8H plus 2, 6, that is 5, 6, 7, 7, 2, 2. Okay. Now that is 2MnO4 minus then 16H plus, okay sir, that is 10 electron. Clear to you? After adding, then 5 C2O4 2 minus, it gives you Mn2 plus 2 Mn2 plus 8H2O. Clear to you? Plus 10 CO2 plus 10 electron. Clear? Now what will happen? This 10 electron moving here friend will cancel this one. Clear? Now check out the balancing. 2Mn, okay, 8 oxygen and 5 to 10, that 10 to 20. Okay, completely balanced here. Now look at how many moles to oxidize 1 mole here. 5 mole C2O4 2 minus require 2 mole of MnO4 minus. Am I right or wrong? Sir, you are absolutely right. So 1 mole of C2O4 2 minus required. Tell me what will happen. Sir, 2 by 5 mole of MnO4. 2 by 5 will be equal to 0.4. So for 1 mole C2O4 2 minus ferrous oxalate. This C2O4 2 minus comes from, as I told you, FeC2O4. There is a requirement of 0.4 mole of MnO4 minus. I think now you can easily solve. So the answer is D option, 0.4 moles. Clear? Now wait for a moment. I am going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next one, next question. Wait for a moment, friend. Now the next question is oxidation number of iodine in IO3 minus IO4 minus Ki and I2. This is one of the simplest question you can easily solve. I x plus minus 2 into 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to not 0, here is minus sign, so equal to minus 1. Clear to you? X is equal to minus 1 plus 6. X is equal to plus 5 oxidation state. For IO3 minus, the oxidation state is plus 5. For IO4 minus, then what will happen? Check it out. That is x plus, clear, minus 2 into 4, clear, that is minus 1, clear, that is x minus 8 equal to minus 1, that is x is equal to minus 1 plus 8, then x is equal to, you people say, that is the plus 7 oxidation state. Now moving here, plus 7. Now in case of Ki, as we know, K has oxidation state plus, x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. For Ki, the oxidation state of iodine is minus 1. For I2, that is the oxidation state is 0. So in this case, plus 5, plus 7, minus 1 and 0. Now check it out, plus 5, plus 7, minus 1 and 0. This is the correct answer. Clear? Now, I am going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next question. Check it out. Wait for a moment. Look at what I'm telling. Now the next question is, freshly prepared bright blue colored solution of sodium in liquid ammonia. What is given here? Sodium in liquid ammonia, that is NH3. Clear to you? Can be used to reduce the organic functional moisture. In this, the actual reducing species is, what is the reducing species? As we know, if we balance, do you remember this? The blue color comes due to the presence of, tell me, sir, due to the presence of solvated electron, that is Na. If I write here x plus y, that is NH3. Clear to you? What it gives? That is NaNH3 whole x to the power plus. Clear? And there comes then, that is Na, that is the first ion, then there is a solvated electron, that is E NH3 whole y to the power minus. And we people know the actual reducing species is this one. This one is the solvated electron. Clear? This is the one of the best reaction, as I have discussed this reaction in chapter alkali metals. Remember this? So for this, the answer is solvated electron. Clear? Now I am going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next part of the question. Wait for a moment. The next question is question number 4. Now tell me, this is one of the simple question. Oxidation number of sulfur in acid. As we people know, if a component is in free state, if it is in a free state or combined, that is the general condition, then what will be the oxidation state in this case? That is 0. In case of O2, oxidation state is 0, that is combination with each other. In case of N2, the oxidation state is 0, oxidation state of nitrogen. In case of F2, the oxidation state is 0. Now, if I talk about H2F2, then tell me what will happen. As we know, fluorine has oxidation state -1. For H2, we put 2x, and for fluorine, that is -1 into 2 is equal to 0. So what will happen in this case? We people know 2x is equal to plus 2, x is equal to plus 2 upon 2, that is plus 1. Is it visible? That is plus 1. Clear to you? For H2F2, the oxidation state is plus 1. Now what about H2S? As we all know, hydrogen has oxidation state plus 1. Clear to you? Is it visible to you? Into 2, and for sulfur it is x. Clear? So x is equal to minus 2. Clear? So the oxidation state minus 2, 0, 1, and sequential order 0 plus 1 and minus 2. That is 0 plus 1 and minus 2. This is the answer. Clear, friend? Now, wait for a moment. This chapter is so much easy, but this chapter links the one of the best chapter of chemistry, physical chemistry, that is electrochemistry. If you have a command on oxidation reduction, that is the redox reaction, then you can easily solve the question related to electrochemistry. Otherwise it is not possible to solve question like Nernst equation, like equivalent concept. So these are the one of the best topic, that is a pathway to solve the question related to electrochemistry. If you have any doubt, as I told you before, then you can easily approach to me. I am always here to help you. Clear, friend? Now let's move to the next question. This is the number of, this is one of the best question, the number of moles of K2Cr2O7 that can be reduced by 1 mole of SN, that we need to number of moles of K2Cr2O7. As we know, this one comes from Cr2O7 2 minus. This is the equation. And what will happen? Treatment with SN2 plus. Clear to you? Now how the reaction will proceed, tell me in this case. It's very simple. If I put here Cr2O7 2 minus, first one, then it will converted into Cr3 plus. Clear to you? First of all, I am going to give you the detailed solution. Otherwise it is very easy to get the answer, that will be equal to 1 upon 3. Why it is so much easy? Wait for a moment. First of all, let me give the detailed solution. Wait for a moment. If I put here Cr2O7 2 minus, that is, it gives you Cr3 plus. Clear? This is a general trend. Now there is 7 oxygen, put here 7H2O and put here 14. Clear? Now how to balance the charge here? That is 12 plus 6, put here 6 electron. Clear? This is the reduction half reaction. Now the next one is SN2 plus, convert into, definitely we people know there is 2 oxidation state plus 2 and plus 4. So SN2 plus will be converted to SN4. This is oxidation half reaction. How much electron release here? 2 electron. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now balance the number of electron, total number of gain and total loss of electron, multiply by 3 here. Now what will happen? After adding, we will get the output Cr2O7 2 minus. Clear? Now plus 14H plus. Okay. Then there comes 6 electron plus 3SN2 plus, which gives you 2Cr3 plus. Okay, sir. Plus 7H2O. Okay. Then SN4 plus and then 2 electron. 3 to 6 electron and then 3 SN4 plus. Clear? Now what will happen? This 6 electron and this 6 electron will cancel each other. Now look at 3 mole SN2 plus require 1 mole. Wait for a moment. Here is 2. How number of moles of that can be reduced by 1 mole? Okay. 3 mole SN2 plus require 1 mole of Cr2O7 2 minus. Clear? According to the question, 1 mole of SN2 plus require how many moles of Cr2O7 2 minus? That is the question. So 1 upon 3 mole of Cr2O7 2 minus. Clear friend? This is the detailed solution. Clear? You can easily observe. First one is reduction half reaction, second one is oxidation half reaction, and finally what we get, that is 1/3. So for this question 1/3 is the answer. Clear? I think this type of question is asked in 2000 recent examination, 2018 main examination, that is how to balance the reaction and what is the number of generally this type of questions, frequently asked questions. Clear to you? So you have to give lots of focus on these types of questions. Clear friend? Now I'm going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next one. Wait for a moment. Now the next one is, look at what I'm telling. The oxidation state of sulfur in Carrozz acid and Marshall acid. First of all, tell me what is the formula of Carrozz acid? Sir, the formula of Carrozz acid is H2S2O5. Am I right or wrong? Sir, you are absolutely wrong, because the formula of Carrozz acid is H2SO5. Clear? And we people know in Carrozz acid there is peroxy and oxy, two type of linkage. Clear? So for solving such kind of questions, we have to first draw the structure. If you do not know how to draw the structure, then we are not able to solve such question. Because if I write down the formula and try to find out the oxidation state by using the formula, then what will happen? Plus 1 into 2 plus x, that is minus 2 into 5 is equal to 0. Clear? X plus 2 minus 10 is equal to 0. X minus 8 is equal to 0, or x is equal to plus 8. Clear friend? X is equal to plus 8. Here the oxidation state of sulfur is plus 8, but we know sulfur has only 6 electron. It can be 2 8s in its outermost orbit. So it will have only, it can lose only maximum 6 electron. So the maximum oxidation state of sulfur is plus 6. That is, plus 8 cannot be possible. Only the maximum oxidation state is plus 6. That is, definitely there is a peroxy linkage in H2SO5. Clear to you? So one peroxy linkage is there, that is the involvement of 2 oxygen, because the difference of 2 oxidation, 8 and 6, difference of 2. So one peroxy linkage is there. It is easily. So what is the structure? This one, this one, this one, this one, then this one, then this one, then this one. Now check it out. Am I right or wrong? This one has oxidation state minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, plus 1 and plus 1. By using this, you can easily find out that oxidation state of sulfur is plus 8. This is the one of the best method to find out the oxidation state of any substance when such. Here the gap of 2, so 1 peroxy linkage. If the gap of 4, then 2 peroxy linkage. If the gap of 6, then 3 peroxy linkage. Clear to you? This is the shortcut method to solve such kind of question. Look at one more thing. Here this one is not a good representation. This linkage is best representation. Clear to you? Now we can say in Carrozz acid the oxidation state of sulfur is plus 6. Clear to you? What is Marshall acid? So the formula of Marshall acid is H2S2O8. Clear? Now by using the formula plus 1 into 2 plus 2x minus 2 into 8 is equal to 0. Clear? Now 2 plus 2x minus 16 is equal to 0. 14 plus minus 14 plus 2x is equal to 0. So x is equal to plus 7. As we know, there is no exceed of, tell me, no such exceed of oxidation state more than 6. So the maximum oxidation state of Marshall acid of maximum oxidation state of sulfur in Marshall acid is also plus 6. So the overall oxidation state plus 6 for Carrot's acid and plus 6 for Marshall acid. Clear to you? If you have any doubt, you can easily approach to me. Am I right or wrong? You can easily draw the structure also like this. 2, 2, 2, 4, H2S2O8, then O, clear to you? Then O, then H, then check out O, then O, then H. Am I right or wrong? Check out by looking at this, or if there is a different structure. If I talk about this one, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, you can also check this one is plus 1. If I talk about this side, then what will happen in this case? Tell me. Sulfur is X minus 2 into 2, that is minus 1 into 2, clear to you? And plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 4 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 5, no, not like this. This one is not a structure. Check it once again. This is the, by using this you can easily solve this one. If I write like this, then check it, what will happen? This one, is there is a possibility of such linkage? Involvement of H2S2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8. That is O, that is H. Check out these things, whether this is the structure or not. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, clear to you? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, then minus 2, then minus 2, plus 1 and plus 1. Check out whether we are correct or wrong. That is 2 sulfur, that is 2x, hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is minus 2 into 6 plus minus 1 into 2. Clear to you? Now plus 2 oxygen plus 1 into 2 is equal to 0. Now check out the thing, that is 2x minus 12 minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 12 upon 2. Sir, you are absolutely correct. So by looking at the oxidation state, you can also draw the figure. Clear? This is the exact answer. So here plus 6 oxidation state. Clear to you, friend? Now I am going to rub this part and moving towards the next question. Wait for a moment. Now the next question. This is the question similar to the JEE Main 2018 examination questions. The value of x, y, z respectively. The best method to solve such question in quick interval of time is hit and trial method. Put this value and check out whether there is a perfect suitability or not. If I use first option, if I check x is equal to 1, put that is K2Cr2O7, okay. Then H2SO4, okay sir. Then Z is equal, Y is equal to 3, put here 3, no sorry, X is equal to 1, Y is equal to SO2. So 2SO2, okay, Y is equal to not 2, Y is equal to 3, put here 3, okay, gives you K2SO4, okay, K2SO4, then Cr2SO4 whole thrice and plus 1 H2O. Because I have taken hit and trial method, that is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 1. Now after putting, look at, is this a balanced equation or not? Check it out. potassium 2 times, okay. Sulfate here 1. If I take Y is equal to 3 K2Cr2, here is 3, okay. Check out chromium 2 times, okay. Now oxygen here 7, 4, 11 and 6, 17. Check out here 12, 4, 16, 1, 17. Oxygen balanced. Now check out the sulfur 1 4 times, sulfur 1 and 4 times, okay, completely balanced. So by using the hit and by using the option, you can easily get the answer. This is the best method. Otherwise we have to follow the biggest technique, that is ion electron method, oxidation number method. Clear to you? Again I am repeating, this is a question similar to the question of JEE Main 2018 examination. The best way to solve such question, use hit and trial method. By applying the option in the, by put the option in the question, you can get the answer easily. Okay friend, now I am going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next question. Wait for a moment. Now next question is, when methane is burnt in oxygen to produce CO2 and H2O, the oxidation number changes by. Now as we know, this is methane. When burnt in oxygen, then it gives you CO2 plus H2O. Clear to you? Now look at here, balance the reaction. Here if I put here 2, put here 2. Clear? Now here carbon is in +4 oxidation state. Now CH4, when methane, here carbon is in -4 oxidation state. Look at, am I right or wrong? Sir, you are wrong. Here carbon is in -4 oxidation state and here carbon is in +4 oxidation state. Check out, x plus -1 into 4 is equal to 0, x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to +4. And in this case what will happen, check it out, as CO2, to produce CO2, that is x minus 2 into 2, that is x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to +4. Clear to you? Carbon is in +1 or +4 oxidation state. Now the overall change -4 to +4. So total change in oxidation state, tell me friend, total change in oxidation state 8. The oxidation number changes by 8. -4 to +4, the total oxidation state changes by 8. Clear? Now I am going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next one. Now in the reaction, again this is the question similar to the JEE Main. Again you have to use hit and trial method. I am using the option 1, x is equal to 2. If I put here 2MnO, okay, in place of x put 2, then 5 PbO2. Yes sir, you are correct. Clear? Now Z plus 10HNO3. Clear? It gives you HMNO4. Clear to you? Plus PbNO3 whole twice. Now check out the balancing. Here Mn 2 times, Pb 2 times. In the redox reaction PbNO3. Now balancing by equation. If I put here 2, then put here 2 also. Okay. Now put here oxygen 2 times, Pb 5 times. Put here 5s. Okay sir. Clear to you? Plus H2O also is there. Okay sir. Now balance oxygen. 2, 5 to 10. 10 or to 12, 12 and 30, that is 42. Now check out oxygen 8 and here is 3 to 6, 30, 38 and here is what I tell 42. Put here 4, then 42, 8 hydrogen. Put here hydrogen is 10, 4 to 8 and to 10. Look at, this is the complete balance equation. So we do not need to check B, C and D. We got the option here. So the option for this, that is A. This is the best method to solve such kind of questions. Clear to you friend? Now let's move to the next question. This is the last question of today's lecture. Now look at hydrogen react with KiO3 in presence of HCl as N2H4, the equivalent mass of N2H4. Clear to you? Look at N2H4 converts to N2, that is the oxidation of N2 is 0, and N2H4 convert, here the oxidation state is plus 2. Here the oxidation state is plus 2. Now the equivalent mass of N2H4, as we know, equivalent mass is equal to molecular mass of N2H4. What is the molecular mass of N2H4? Tell me. That is 2 into 14, 28 plus 4, that is 32 upon N. N is change in oxidation state, plus 2 to 0. 2 molecules, 2 nitrogen here, total change in oxidation state 2 into 2, that is 4. So 32 upon 4, that is equal to 8. So equivalent mass of N2H4 is 8, clear? And KiO3, here KiO3, that is IO3 minus comes from KiO3. Here iodine is in plus 5 oxidation state. Yes sir, iodine is in plus 5 oxidation state. Here iodine is in plus 1 oxidation state. Now the overall change in oxidation state is 4. Now what is the equivalent mass of KiO3? Sir, equivalent mass is equal to molecular mass. Molecular mass of KiO3, tell me. Sir, 39 plus 127 plus 3 into 16, 48. That is, if I add 127, 47 and 40, 14, 4, 8 to 10 and 11, 214. If I add them, we get 214. Put here 214 upon change in oxidation state plus 5 to plus 1. Overall change in oxidation state is 4. 214 upon 4 is equal to 53.5. So the equivalent mass is 8 and 53.5. Check it, 8 and 53.5. This is the correct option. Clear? I think now you can easily solve such kind of question. This is one of the best question, and this is a question for IIT JEE. Clear to you? So if you have a strong basic concept, then you can easily solve such kind of question. So friend, time to say bye bye. We will meet you again. Thank you so much.